Hello, my crafty crew. It's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne here in New York. And I wanted to pop on to talk about my trip to Ikea. I went to Ikea. I got a few things that I'm going to be doing tutorials on, but I wanted to just jump on and do a real quick one because I got these little books from Ikea. They came in a 3-pack. I believe they were $3.99. They came in this green, yellow, and a blue. And I decided to put a little decals on them, some vinyl sayings on them. And the first one I did was Stop Wishing, Start Doing. I made one for my sister with this pretty S with the flowers cut out on it. And I got that out of Design Bundle, their mega bundle. So this blue one, I decided that I was going to do another inspirational one because who can't get enough inspirational quotes? So I'm just going to weed this really quick. So, yeah, I went to Ikea, and there's only one here on Long Island, and it was packed. That place is mobbed, a zoo around here, but I guess because there's only one on Long Island, that's where everybody goes. But it was a lot of fun in there. I really had a good time walking around. I loved going in and seeing how they designed all the rooms. It was a lot of fun. Do you guys have an Ikea where you are? Do you like going there? But I don't think I would go back anytime soon because that's how crazy it was. All right, so I quickly weeded out my design. It says "Make Dreams Happen," and I'm all about the inspirational quotes and notebooks. I like to write down all the things I want to do and make happen in my life, and I think they make a great gift. I always give my one girlfriend who's into inspirational quotes an inspirational notebook, and when I saw those, they were great. And also, when I went to the dollar store, I found these in there. And these are lined. The ones from Ikea are not lined. This is good, like if they want to draw or doodle, whatever. And a bullet journal. And these have lines, and they have a hard cover. And that would be something also that I would put, like a nice quote or a picture on. You can give them as gifts for your kids, friends, for your friends. I think they're a good idea. So, this is really simple. I just did this simple design, and I'm just going to take it off my transfer tape. I'm going to just get up so I can center it right. All right, you're just going to take your scraper, give it a good scrape. Slowly peel back your transfer tape. And you're left with an adorable little book that costs maybe $1.50 to make. And it's cute. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.